Hello, this is Shubhendu Chandar, Chartered Accountant. Today, I would be talking about those organizations who would like to do the CSR activities. Now, many of the organizations which are doing charitable work, they have come up to me and asked me whether they can accept CSR contributions from the company. I have told them that in order to do this, you have to first of all have a company which is registered with the ROC. It has to be a Section 8 company, that is a non-profit picking company. You have to apply in a particular form which is e-form CSR 1 before the ROC. You have to show that you have been doing this activity for the last 3 years, and then the ROC will be giving you the certification that you are now entitled to do CSR activities. It is not a mandate that you have to have a registration under Section 12A of the Income Tax Act, but most of the organizations which are doing CSR activities generally take the registration under Section 12A and also get benefits of Section 80G. If you want to know more about this, please email me at my email ID or give your comments. Thank you.